Hello student, welcome to our geography class. From last video we completed some points of lesson number 6, the properties of seawater. The properties of seawater, figure 6.1, depth and temperature of seawater. Completed this point and following question answer. Then next try this experiment. 1.5 liter of water in big container, put 100 gram salt in and stir. Completed this experiment also in last video. Now let us start a geographical explanation. You must have realized that because of the sun's heat, evaporation happens at a faster rate. You know student, you have realized that because of sun's heat, evaporation happens at a faster rate. Evaporated water turns into water vapor. Evaporated water in the sea turns into the water vapor and reduces in quantity. But amount of salt remains the same in the remaining water and therefore the salinity of water increases. In the sea where the rate of evaporation is high, then supply of fresh water salinity is high. Here student, in the sea where the rate of evaporation is high, then the supply of fresh water salinity is high. In the seas where the supply of fresh water exceeds means big, more than, the rate of evaporation salinity is low. Here student, in second point, in seas where the supply of fresh water exceeds fast, the rate of evaporation salinity is low. Third point is salinity is not affected much in seas where the both of supply of fresh water and evaporation of water is low. Here in third point, salinity is not affected much in seas where the both supply of fresh water and evaporation of water is low. Think about it student. If we collect all the salts in the oceans, its weight will be 120 million tons. Here student, we collect the salts of ocean in the ocean, its weight will be 120 million tons. If we spread it on the earth, it will form the 150 milli thick layer, almost equivalent to a 40-storied building from where have these salts come in the sea. Always remember, how is the salinity of seawater measured? How measured the salinity of seawater? The weight of the all dissolved salt in the water in ratio of parts of 1000 of water is called salinity of seawater. Here student, the weight of all dissolved salts in the water in ratio of parts per 1000 of water is called salinity of seawater. For example, if the weight of dissolved, here student example, if the weight of dissolved salts in 1000 gram means 1 kg of seawater is 40 gram, then the salinity of 40 degrees Celsius, that is 40 per 1000 parts. Hydrometer, refractometer and salinometer are also used in measure salinity. Here figure 6.9. Here the salinity of seawater. Some question answer. Observe the map and answer the following question. Here some questions and with the help of this map. 6.9, salinity of seawater. What is the salinity around the tropics? Here student, see here on the map. What is the salinity around the tropics? The salinity around the tropics is 36 degree. Then second is, which region has least salinity? Here student, the Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal has the least salinity of 32%. Which ocean has salinity more than 37 degree? Which ocean has salinity more than 37 degree? Atlantic Ocean has salinity of more than 37 degree. What are the reasons of differences in salinity on the global level? The uneven distribution of temperature on the earth, uneven supply of fresh water, etc. are the reason for differences in salinity on the global level. Here complete some question answer.